Alright, man, I'm gonna record our first video using the meta glasses. Just driving around, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try not to be too weird. Weird can be cool, but weird can be weird. So I'm gonna try to just be cool weird. And here we go. Doing 30 in the subdivision, alright. We're in Mexico. I can hear my control arm or something, tie rod, something broken. Interesting. Progressively getting worse. Interesting. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep the film rolling. Alright. Aside from the car being amazing, we're in a cloudy day, a lot of clouds, couple of little dark clouds here and there, but I don't think we're gonna see any rain. Let's wait for the cars. Wait for the cars. We went past the white line. It's okay. We stopped. All right. Wait for the truck. We're gonna go. We're going. Where are we going? Jersey Mike. This video is not sponsored by Jersey Mike's, by the way. It'd be pretty cool if it was, though. All right. All right. We're going W124. Now, I do not know why the clock. Oh wait. No, it is on time. All right, I'm tripping. We're walking on a two-way road, no sidewalk. Okay, okay, okay. Point of view. Whoa. Where are they going? We don't know. We may never know. We're likely not going to know. All right. I think there's like a 3-minute time limit on these glasses, so, or for recording video, so we'll see. This is 1080p 60 frames per second. We're gonna try a 3K video after this one. Whoa, okay, I see you. You see me? I don't think so. Let's go. Let's make a move. Whoa, this car next to me totally scared me. Phone call? He's calling me. Spam. Hello?
Are you there?
Who is this?
This is Sarah. Hey, I contacted you earlier.
Not interested. Fake news! Alright, let's continue driving. Let's continue driving. Toyota Celica in front of me. The Temptation. No, stop. Stop. It's automatic. You're not shifting. Okay. Noticing my dash. Alright, so now continuation. We're doing a 3K 30 frames per second video. So let's see how this looks. Man, I've been really wanting to pull up on the mango man, because he be having mangoes and like honey and watermelons, but I haven't pulled up. I forget. Every time I come here I forget. But yeah, we're going to Jersey Mike's, man. And this video, once again, is not sponsored by Jersey Mike's. It'd be pretty cool if it was, but it's not. But it is what it is. So the journey continues. The journey to Mike's. So the first video was 1080p, 60 frames per second. Then I'm gonna combine them like superpowers, like when Macho Man and Hulk Hogan came together. And then we're gonna do this video, which is 3K 30 frames per second. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Now watch. Now I gotta push the brakes. No, I don't. I talked too soon. I spoke too soon. This is why you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. Alright, we're going to the Mexican bar, or we're going to get some nails, or the Taekwondo. I wonder where they're going. Dun 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 dun. There was like a dead hog around here the other day, but I don't know where it's at. It disappeared. It's gone. Whoa! Well, we're in the Mercedes Timu AMG, because it's not a real AMG. All right, bam. Damn. First person point of view in the W124. Okay. But once again, I don't got a shifter. I mean, I got a shifting knob. My car's a 4-speed automatic. It's not a clutch. You know what I'm saying? There's no clutch. Okay. I feel like our 3 minutes are coming up here soon. My mental clock is kind of winding down. I feel like it's gonna happen like in the next 5 to 10 seconds, right before we hit all this traffic. Because I mean, why would y'all want to see traffic? There's no point of seeing traffic. Oof. Y'all have gotten to traffic with me. That sucks.